Hey guys, how's it going? We are on our way to a rock climbing gym in Naha, the large city in Okinawa. Past Naha. And this was really spontaneous. I was watching a rock climbing video and then Kit was like, we should go rock climbing. And then we went rock climbing. We're going right now. This gym looks like it's pretty nice. We've seen it on Instagram. Looks like they do the color coding thing. Anyway, if you're looking to rock climb in Okinawa, this is the video you want to be watching to see how it is. At least this gym. This is a review of this gym, a review of rock climbing in Okinawa, what to do, where to go. Let's see how it goes. Right now we're on our way. We just stopped at Lawson's and she's eating an egg salad sandwich here, and that's actually what I had too. So this is a new gigantic shopping center, and apparently the Bouldering Gym is in here, which would explain why it's new, because this entire shopping center is new. And there's also apparently like an aquarium in here. Okay. This place is ridiculously big. So apparently this mall area closes at 12, right? And the rock climbing gym closes at like 9. So we're gonna go rock climbing and then get out and check all this stuff out. Yeah.
Right? And then so the bouldering gym is
third floor
on this side, so over there.
Okay. So let's go up again. That green tea area looks really good. There's a loft here. So we're coming up on it, right? Ah, there it is. Wow, ocean view.
I want to see the ocean view.
Dang, that's it. Wow, it looks really nice. Oh, sugoi. Look at that, guys. And those are the, what island did you say?
Kerama's out there.
Yeah, Kerama. All right, we're in. Here's the color grades. They're all color coded. Looks really cool.
It's really exciting because unlike most Okinawan gyms here, or Japanese gyms, they don't use the tape method.
Mm-hmm.
They actually have like color-coded routes, which is really exciting because that's the one we like.
So they have this little locker area. Store your stuff here. This is the boys section. And they have sinks for you to wash your hands. Okay, let's see. Oh man, these things are...
It's been a while since I've...
Ooh. Oh, that's tight.
It's been a while. I forgot how tight these shoes are.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, rock climbing shoes are ridiculously small. And I think my rock climbing shoes are too small for me anyway. You're not supposed to wear socks, but mine are so small that if I don't wear socks with it, it just blisters my feet instantly. So I need like some extra cushion while I put them on. This one's even smaller, I think. So you can see the gratings on the wall behind me. Pink, orange, and white are the easiest. I haven't climbed in like a year almost, so I might just start with those. You use chalk. Got my shoes on. Chalk up your hands so you have a good grip. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. That green one I think is orange. So you start at that one. You go up to that one and you could only touch the green holds. So let's try this. Okay, let me warm up with this red one. Okay, there's a white one here I want to try. Start there. End up there. So let's do it. There's Kit. You okay? Okay, getting a little harder. Try a red one. Here's a red one. And you go up to there. Oh man, guys, it's been a while. Shoes are hurting. This black mask is gonna get so chalky so fast. So I haven't climbed in pretty much a year, but every time I try and do this, I always try and challenge myself. So I sort of just look around and look at the ones that I think look fun and do those. And oftentimes I either can't do them or maybe I get through them and I struggle through them. But they're often pretty hard ratings and then I'm really impressed with myself. But I think it's about picking the types of holds that you think you'd be good at or you think you'd enjoy, because that makes a big difference. There's kids exercising here, but look at that sun. It's like red. So cool. Holy crap, guys. My feet really hurt from these shoes. My arms are getting kind of sore too, but these shoes, man, I need some bigger shoes. I'm trying some harder ones now. The sunset behind me though looks really nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this out here. Still at the Rock Climbing Gym, but we maybe have a couple more climbs in us. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this Rock Climbing Gym. I wanted to check it out. It's one of the only ones that we know of that uses the color coordinated holds, which makes everything so much easier. So anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. And of course, subscribe, like. I gotta ask people to do this stuff more. Maybe I should put it at the beginning of the video. I don't know, whatever. See you guys in the next video.